Today we're making chile rellenos. You're going to be toasting them like so, just turning them over in a hot saucepan. Once they're roasted, you grab a paper towel, a wet paper towel, and a plastic bag. You put them all in there and you cover it up like so. It just makes it easier for you to peel them. After a few seconds, you unwrap it. You see how it comes off easily? That was the purpose of that. You can either use a spoon or just pull it off yourself with your fingers. It comes off quite easily. Once they're all peeled, I like to take the tail off, like so, cut it off. It just makes it easier to take the whole seeds out. You see? And that way we could place the cheese in there or whatever you want to fill it up with. You're going to use your spoon to take out all the seeds that are inside and toss them. Next, for the filling, I have some panela cheese and some leftover black beans that I'm going to mix together for the filling. Now you're going to grab some salt and some flour, pour it all over on both sides. You're going to need 2 eggs. Crack it like so. You're going to use the egg whites first. Make sure you get all the egg white out. Now we're going to mix. Time to add the egg yolks. And then you mix again. Heat up your saucepan, pour some oil. Don't be afraid, you need enough oil. Make sure you have your chilies on standby and your egg mixture close by. You're going to grab your chili and put it in the mix. Put it on the hot pan and let it cook. Proceed to continue to do the same thing with all the chilies. And let them fry. Turn them over. Looks like these chilies are ready. Put them aside and continue with the rest. Turn these over. Next, I'm going to add some El Pato sauce to a different saucepan. I love this sauce. You can purchase it at the store for about $1. Then all you have to do is just add the chilies in there. You can use any sauce you'd like. I also have some green tomatillo salsa that I could have used, but it's up to your preference. So you let it boil for a bit, and then you could just top it off with some queso fresco or cotija cheese, whatever you have handy, whatever you have at home. Doesn't this look delicious? Yum, yum. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Enjoy.